Now we all know change is something that we're not used to. We all know this. But with change comes absolute amazing opportunities. So 4 years ago I started this journey in this workshop, and I said the same thing 4 years ago at the start. 4 years later, it's time for change. As you can see by the state of the place so far, I'm not going to really pan too much, but so by the time you're watching this video, this decision has already been done. We have already moved premises, and I'd like to thank this place for the last 4 years to make me a better person, and has given me more mechanical knowledge than I have ever had in my entire lifetime. Going forward, it's just going to be even bigger, even better. I have all you guys to thank, and I have this amazing place that I could call ours. But anyway, here is a montage of all the biggest things that we've done to the car so far in this premises, and maybe some of the smaller things, the biggest highlights that I've done so far, which made me a better person, which made me grow exponentially in my own well-being, my physical health, my mental health, everything. And I have all you guys to thank for that. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting me. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the end of this journey and the start of the next. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video it's going to be the quickest and easiest way to save you money if you have an Angel Eye BMW without having to break the bank and spend over $70-80, whatever, 1,000 some odd rand on new headlight bulbs. I'm sure it's the easy way. These are H10W bulbs, and they may be called T10 twists depending on where you are from, but don't judge me. Okay, and simple as that. Pop this in like that, and I'm gonna turn it on. A few minutes later, we have both the Angel Eyes working as they should be. Starting off from the last part, as you can see, the head is out of the car. It is the bores look fine, it feels fine. There's no scoring or ridges on the actual bore itself, so I got away with that. But when it comes to stuff like the head itself, you can see this is cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4. The worst of the worst is cylinder 2. It's actually pitted, and it's got so much of, I have no idea what broke or something got into this engine. This is the only this is the only cylinder that had no compression on this thing whatsoever. This is piston number 1. You can see it's not too bad. It's just got this little ridge on the valve seat. Piston 2 is the worst one. You can see this is where something, I'm not too sure what was in this thing that was running around and doing whatever it is inside here. So this piston is damaged. This is the intake manifold. You can see there's cylinder 1 all the way to 4. Cylinder 1 is clean-ish, and cylinder 2, you can see, I don't know what is all built up in this thing. I don't know what actually failed to the point where it's not even closing it's not even allowing the manifold to close properly. You guys have been asking for it a lot, so here's injectors 1 to 4. As you guys can see, injector number 2 was the hardest to come out because of all of that debris that was stuck in this thing. So I'm going to be going over this in a separate video. Okay, so this is the 3rd day of working on this car, and I found the fault. After pulling up from the intake, remember I saw that there was this combustion chamber here that had all this gunk in it. Well, a lot of people have been asking me, why do I still have the swirl flaps on the car? This is what a swirl flap is supposed to look like. And this is what the broken one actually looks like. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like the video. Share your comments down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So what we just did was we removed everything, we put everything back together. The subframe is fine. I'm just going to take it for a drive now and monitor it from it, and I'll give you guys an update in the next video, which is when we're going to be doing the carrier bearing, damper rubbers and stuff like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like the video, share your comments down below and subscribe if you're new. And remember, everything I've mentioned will all be linked in the video description, not like I mentioned it in this video to begin with. But yeah, in the next video we will be doing the carrier bearing and the damper rubbers, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.